Welcome to the video, everyone. This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we are going to be talking about member actions, what options there are and how to use them. Member actions are used for taking specific members and then applying a specific action to those specific members. If after you're done watching this video you have any questions about member actions or anything else inside of your Platform account, navigate to the Support Hub tab in your Platform account, and you can look through all of our FAQs, which are just drop-down menus with content inside of them. You can also click Chat with Us, and you can touch base with us live inside of the app. You can also submit a ticket or click the Help Docs, and that's going to take you to our knowledge base, and we can go through all of the features that Platform has to offer in more depth. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, go to platformarea.com and get a free trial right now and see if it's right for your business. Now back to member actions. Navigate to the Members tab in your navigation, and you can see we are at our members list. This is the list of all of our members that have either been imported by us or onboarded into our platform. So the member actions actually don't show themselves right away until you select a member. And now once you select a member, you can see that there is an action drop-down field right here above your member list. And you can see one member selected. And I can individually select these members, 2 members selected, 3 members selected. I can also select all of these members in this list or in a searched list by clicking this Select All checkbox. So once we have a specific member or a list of members selected, what we can do is we can go up to the actions and we can perform an action. So you got delete, export, and send broadcast. Alex Cobb, one of our team members here at Platform, he's in my list. I want to get him out of my list. Let's say for some reason or another, I want to delete him out of my platform, out of my membership site. So what I do is I would select him and I could select delete, and it's going to ask me, hey, are you sure? And one other thing I wanted to show you was that you can delete him individually by clicking the red trash can icon here too, and it's going to do the same thing. But this is more of like if I wanted to select multiple people, I could perform this action. However, I don't want to delete Nikola Tesla right now, so I only want to delete Alex Cobb. So I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. So we're going to select him, actions, delete, are you sure, confirm, and he's gone. Just as easy as that, he's gone. So what other actions can we perform? Let's go ahead and see the next action is export. I'm going to select all of my members right now, which is only currently 2, and I'm going to export them. And what that does, it actually exports out a CSV file. I'm going to change the name of this. I'm going to call it Platform Members. I'm going to click Save. Now that the CSV file has saved onto my computer, I'm going to open that, and the CSV file looks like this. We got the name, and if there's a phone number and an email of all of our members. And now we have a list of all of our members' contact information, and we can do whatever we want with this at this point. So let's go ahead and look at the final members action here, and let's select everybody, and let's go ahead and send a broadcast. Send a broadcast, and we'll do live stream starting tomorrow. Don't miss out. And let's go ahead and attach an image. And then we'll go ahead and send this. But before we send in, I did log into Nikola Tesla's member area so we can kind of see what that looks like then. So let's go ahead and hit send. So then Nikola Tesla gets a little alert. Hey, you have a new notification. He can read that notification by clicking the button there, and then it'll show in his list of notifications the actual notification that I sent. So that is how easy it is to perform actions with your members inside of Platform. If you have any questions about how to do that or questions about anything else, hit us up in chat. And until then, I'll talk to you on the next video.